In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with RingCentral. We'll walk through how to change your RingCentral phone number from your account, and I'll point out optional porting and some helpful tips so nothing gets missed. Start by signing into your RingCentral account at the service site. After you authenticate, you'll land in the admin portal. If you have administrator rights, this is where you can manage numbers for the whole organization. If you're a standard user, you'll still be able to manage your own direct number and extension. From the dashboard, open the admin portal. If you're not already there, then go to Phone System and choose Phone Numbers. This page lists every company number as well as user numbers assigned to extensions and teams. Decide whether you're changing the main company number or a specific user number. The company number is the public-facing line your customers usually dial. Changing it affects routing for main greetings and queues. A user number belongs to one person or extension. Click the number you want to update. Select Change Number. Pick the country, state, and area code if you want a new local number. RingCentral will show you a list of available options. Scroll until you find one that fits your branding and service area, then select it and click Next. On the confirmation screen, review the details carefully. Depending on your plan, there can be a small fee for changing numbers. When everything looks right, click Finish. Your new number typically activates within minutes, but in some cases it may take a few hours. While it's provisioning, incoming calls may briefly use the previous routing, so plan accordingly. If you want to keep an existing number from another provider, you can port it into RingCentral instead of choosing a new one. In the same phone number section, select Port In and follow the guided steps. You'll be asked for a letter of authorization and a recent bill from your current carrier. Porting usually takes 7 to 10 business days, and you'll receive updates along the way. Before you make a switch, let key contacts know, update your website, social profiles, email signatures, and printed materials, and download any call logs or voicemails you need to retain. It's also smart to schedule the change during low traffic hours to minimize disruptions. If you run into issues, visit RingCentral support online or open Help and Support in the mobile app. And remember, changing company level numbers requires admin permissions. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your number change.